Damn it. Okay, so I'll be back when I get this bolt off. So here's a tip. On taking this off, of course you take these two bolts off and this bolt back here, but you do not have, seems like you do not have to take this axle bolt off. All you have to do is take this sway bar bolt out, and you'll be able to get it out. So okay, so I got it off. So what you don't have to take the axle nut off, thank God. I've seen videos where you got to take the whole axle apart from there. You don't have to do that. All you got to do is take that sway bar link out, swivel to the side like this. Not the sway bar, take this sway bar link out from the strut, and take this outer tire rod apart from the knuckle and swivel it to the side. Make sure you got a heat and probably a dead blow hammer. You probably want to jack it up, that way it don't fuck up your ball joint. See, my ball joint is still good, it's hard to move. So support that and then hammer down after you heated it up, and it should come right out, no problems. See how the metal, this has got the metal around here for support, but keep the bushings centered. And look at these. Yeah, that's fucked up. And that's why my tires was balding. These are new tires I got, but these tires are balding. So my sway bar links is good. I've changed those. My ball joints is good. That's been changed before I got the car, but I'm looking at it now and I just checked it, so they're pretty much tight to move. Outer tire rods is good. So only thing that be fucking that up is that control arm. And the inner and outer tire rods is good, so I know it ain't that. I checked both of those. The only thing that can be is this damn control arm, because these bushings are fucking bad in here. And yeah, so pretty much, you know, the journey is you take this bolt out, that one long bolt here, and hook the ball joints from it. And like I said, when you're putting it in, you're gonna want to jack this control arm up, because you don't want to be putting a lot of play on that ball joint. Otherwise, you have to take this whole knuckle out to change that. So when taking the old one out, support it with a jack and get you a fork and heat it up. Once it's hot enough, you hammer a few times down, it should come right out. But make sure you support that control arm. You do not want a lot of play on this ball joint. It will fuck it up. Oh, and take the sway bar link off the strut and hook the outer tire rod. You do not have to take this axle away out of the hub, so you don't have to do that. I've seen videos where they've been doing that, but I just figured out the way you can do it without doing it. So yeah, so let me get this in. Also, yeah, the reason you want to take the sway bar link out, because you can move it like that. Be able to get this in and out. Alright, I can get this in here. What I'm gonna do is start this in. Okay. Okay. Now see, that's kind of hard to get on there. So what you want to do is take a jack. There we go. See, that's why it's important to have another spare jack while doing jobs like this. Help you out a lot. Damn. Alright, so I need to get under here, and it's hard to see this from this angle. So I'll be back. Okay, so I got that control arm in. Actually, it wasn't too hard to do. The best part about it is I figured out how to do it without taking that axle apart. So that's good. So The sway bar links, the top to the strut at the top is off, but I gotta leave that off because I need to swivel both sides. So once I'm done, I just put that in there and tighten it back up. Wasn't that hard to do. Pretty damn easy, honestly. Now that I figured out, you don't have to take that axle nut off and take that axle away from the damn hub. You just take this outer tire rod off and you'll be able to swivel it to where you need it to go. Okay, so I guess I'll jump on the other side. You know what? I'm taking a break. I'm hungry. I ain't ate breakfast, so I don't like to start my work in the morning. I didn't eat breakfast and I got a headache, so I'll be back after breakfast. Okay, so this one is a little bit complicated to get off because you got this transmission in the way. So to get this out, of course, same way, hook the outer tire rod, ball joints, this bolt, and while getting this bolt back here, you gotta take the control arm and after you get all the bolts loose, take it out from here, swing it. Or obviously you gotta unhook it from the knuckle here too. So unhook the knuckle first, pull it out, take the control arm and swing it, rock it this way. That way, once you rock it and then you pull down, you can able to get it out of there. Cause that transmission is in the way. Oh man, that was a bitch to get out. Another design by Dodge. Bushings. It's bad, but it's not as bad as this one. Yeah. And whoop backwards. See, one hurt one around here in the wrong zone. Get an angle when you're putting this in here. Okay. There we go. Fuck you, goddamn Chrysler. Dodge. Damn. Okay, so pretty much I'm just putting these bolts back in and the ball joint and then this. I'll be back when I'm done about to do this. Ow. Ugh. Really? Damn. Alright, so get this off the jack stand, and that's me changing the control line. Again. So if you like that, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think. Mechanic out.